It's Bonnie. Happy Monday. I am back. I have yet another video for you guys tonight. I feel like I have a lot to talk about. I went to Bath& Body Works today and spent, I want to say, like an hour just walking around the store. So we have a fairly large, big volume store, and we have the Bath& Body Works attached to the White Barn. And I was actually pretty impressed because our store had a lot of new single wicks. I'm going to talk about those maybe tomorrow, like the tropical. We had vanilla, some of these other ones. It's gray wax. That was kind of new. And my White Barn now, I'm going to put a screenshot up right here. We now have the laundry wall in the store. So I was kind of wondering where Bath and Body Works was going with all of this laundry stuff. Let me grab my photo. Oh, I forgot to show you the picture of the frog too. Oh my gosh, you guys. I took so many pictures today. Oh my gosh, the frog. What is this? This is Amber Blush. I'm showing you this photo right here. Sun-washed Santal. The Morning Rain. We have Sunshine Day. Pineapple Mango. I mean, there is a lot of laundry detergent. They didn't just take like 5 cents. There are, I want to say, let me look online here for a second. Like over 40, I want to say, like total. And it seems like they just keep adding more. So my guess is this laundry detergent is really, really popular. And they have the fragrance booster to go along with it. So I bought lavender vanilla. Actually, I forgot I had gifted this off to my husband's cousin to try. I gotta find out if she tried it. Over Christmas, I used Vanilla Bean Noel. I don't mind the formula. So on the back it says, washes up to 64 loads, concentrated formula, high energy, cleans in cold water. The bottles are pretty, I gotta say. I mean, they're really like fun. They look modern. So you take the lid off here. This is the Norwegian pine, and I'm just gonna kind of pour some of this in. You can see it's kind of a white formula. And apparently, and I'm not even too good at this because I use the Tide Pods fragrance free. I think there's a line on here. I'm pouring this back in, by the way. And then you can either do like a small load or like a larger load, but I can't really even see the line in here too well. Norwegian pine does smell good. When I use Vanilla Bean Noel, I liked the formula. It felt like my clothes were washed really well, but I just didn't really love the scent. It's funny because a lot of people were saying it was really light, but I actually thought it was a little strong, probably because I use fragrance free. So I wasn't totally digging the scent. It wasn't really for me. I did get the Twisted Peppermint also, which I'll probably just gift off to a friend or a relative because I don't know. Do I want my clothes smelling like peppermint? I don't even know, you guys. I just don't know. It didn't bother me. It didn't make me itch. So again, I think it's a good formula. What I think is the selling point here is whether or not you really want your clothes to smell like a Bath & Body Works product. And I think the answer is yes, because this stuff seems to be selling really well. Additionally, this is taking up a lot of real estate in the White Barn that they could have candles on. So my guess is they wouldn't be taking up this much space if it wasn't like a top seller. And even if you go into the reviews, by the way, this is BOPIS. I'm seeing now that like Japanese Cherry Blossom, it says available for shipping plus in stock at Great Lakes Mall. They are $19.95, which I feel like $19.95 is a really high price point. However, if they do like a half price sale, like right now Norwegian Pine is on sale for $9.97. $9.97 feels like a fairly decent price point, but that's just me. And it's funny, I feel like they're getting mixed reviews. So here's, for example, Sunshine Day, which is juicy clementine, bright lemon, and sweet peach. Mostly 5-star reviews, but a couple people said can't open the bottle. I would agree with that. If you have limited mobility, or if you have arthritis or trouble with your hands, these are not easy to open. I feel like they're confusing, not to mention that like sometimes you want to twist the bottom, and every time you open these, like you do laundry, you got to open it again. So there's like this weird like top part and bottom part. I don't know. I don't like the ergonomics of opening the bottle either. Someone said smells bad. And then another person said, this is the best laundry detergent ever. So what's interesting about this is totally mixed reviews. So I feel like you're either going to love this stuff or you're just going to be like, totally not for me. I'm pretty much in that camp. I think maybe like if they got strawberry pound cake, I would try strawberry pound cake. Like that's a 1 cent. I think I would go, I think maybe I want to try it. I don't want my clothes smelling like florals. You know me, I'm not a florals girl. So, yeah, I feel like the verdict's still kind of out for me on this. I'm not totally sold on laundry detergent at Bath & Body Works. I would much prefer having a deodorant for women. I would love to have more bubble bath. Like I said, a couple of years, I want to say like 5 or 6 years ago, I had a 'Tis the Season bubble bath. It was amazing. It was one of the big 16-ounce bottles. I loved those bottles. They had a pine one. First, if you like taking baths and you like the smell of Bath & Body Works, bring it on. I would love to see Bath & Body Works bring back wax melts. They used to have them. I feel like there's a lot of places where they could bring more stuff back. I'd love to see the Coco Shea collection back, the Coco Shea Honey especially. You know me, True Blue Spa. I loved that collection with the white soap. I would love to see that back. So I don't know. It's kind of interesting. Of all of the things that I don't really need at Bath & Body Works, it's pretty much laundry detergent. So that's why I'm kind of on the, I don't know, but it's just me. My recommendation is if it looks like something that would be interesting to you, wait for a sale. I feel like the last time they had a big sale on these, they were like $11.95 or $12.95, which is a much better deal. So if you're going to try it, I would wait for a sale or use a coupon, like a 20% off coupon. So anyway, please leave a comment below. Does your store have the laundry detergent yet? Or are you using it? Because I'm really kind of curious about this whole thing. It's like the laundry detergent craze of 2024. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.